purpose of this video is to show you how to use the Acendex patching server. First of all, you need to get logged into Managed Workplace. So pull up the Service Center and enter in your credentials. Once you're logged in, you need to go to Site Management, then click on Sites, then click on Acendex Internal Use, then click Device Managers, then click Download Device Manager. Save it wherever you like to on your PC. I like to save it to the desktop. And you'll also want to probably copy this to your USB key so you always have it available. Then you won't need to download it from here again. When the download is completed, just make sure the device manager is present on your PC. Then you can close out of Managed Workplace. The next step is to install the device manager on the PC you want to patch. Right-click on it, choose Run as Administrator, and you will see that it starts to install. Now, as part of the installation, it actually downloads prerequisites and other things that are necessary in order for the device manager to work. So depending on which version of Windows, what type of operating system you're installing, whether it's a server or a workstation, this part of the installation can take a few minutes. Once the installation has completed, you'll be able to see in the lower right-hand corner of the screen a little A for Acendex. That means that the device manager has been installed and is communicating with our service center. Once you've completed that step, you need to log back into the service center. Now you'll see here, much of the process has been automated. If you click on Status and then Devices, and then choose the Acendex Internal Use site, you should see that the PC that you installed the device manager on now is present in the service center. That's the one right there that we installed on. If you click on it and scroll down, you will also see that it has been automatically added to the Acendex Workstation Patching group. If it's a server, it will be added to the server group. The next thing you need to do is click on Patch Management and then Approval Groups in order to get the machine into the right. Next, click the checkbox on the left. Go back up to the top and click Move Selected Devices, and using the drop-down, select the appropriate group for the type of machine you're patching. In this case, it's a Windows 7 workstation. Then click OK. And the machine is now in the correct group. Now, the last thing to do is just to make sure that your machine is getting the patches. Click on Patch Management and then Managed Device Report. And where it says Site, select Acendex Internal Use. Where it says Release Date, select All, and then click the blue Filter button. You will see your machine there in the list. It shows the number of patches that have been installed, the number that need to be installed, and the number that failed. If you like, you can check it off and then click the blue Patch Now button, and it will begin pushing patches to the machine immediately. When your machine is completely patched, you'll want to remove it from being associated with our service center. You can either just uninstall it through Add Remove Programs, or in case you forgot and the machine has already been delivered, you can just go back into Managed Workplace, Site Management, Sites, select the Acendex Internal Use site, click on Device Managers, and find the machine in the list. And you can just check it off, click the More Actions button, and click Uninstall Device Managers. That will remotely uninstall the device manager and disassociate the machine from our service center.